Hello, today I'm going to briefly show some of the advanced one-to-many options available with LogMeIn Pro. To start with, you'll need to be logged into your LogMeIn Control Central. Click on the one-to-many icon at the top of the screen to bring up the list of tasks. As you can see, you currently have one task listed. Click Create Task to see a list of options. As you can see, there are many options to choose from. Just like was shown in my last video, you can remotely transfer files to a remote PC. Although using this tool, you can automate transferring any number of files to any number of remote locations at any given time or at a particular time. You can install or update software on a remote machine. You can remotely update registry settings. You can run a remote command. And you can also run a batch or executable file or any number of remote machines. I will briefly show you how to set up to run a remote batch or executable file. This can be useful when you need to push out updates for software, for example. You need to click on the Run a Batch File for Executable icon and it will bring up some options below. In the task name field, enter a descriptive name for your task. You can also attach a file here. I'm just going to attach a sample file. It's an executable file. And you can enter any optional parameters, or you can enable logging. And you can also enter any other notes that you need to, like instructions or anything else you need to add in this field. When you're done, click Save and Continue to move on to the next screen. And you'll want to create a new plan unless you already have a plan set up that you'd like. But in this instance, I'm going to create a new plan. You'll need a plan name. I'm going to call this Run Every Sunday at Midnight. You want to make sure you select the correct task to run. You want to schedule a time for the task to run. Right now I'm going to schedule this to happen weekly, starting this Sunday, and it's going to happen at midnight. And it's going to occur every week on Sunday. And additionally, you can also set such advanced options such as how many times it can attempt to connect to the computer, the timeout, or email notification of when a task completes, or whether or not it completes or has an error. In your list of PCs, you must select a Pro 2 account. If you try to use a free account, it'll ask you to upgrade the account whenever you confirm at the bottom. So in this instance, I could select this computer and it would work. And then you'll have to go in and give your login credentials for the computer that you want to add. Utilizing and automating these complex operations can be a large help to a business. Thank you for listening.